Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Entertainment Chic. Today we shall be making some beans porridge. With me I have the picked beans, honey beans, Ponmo, fish, Scotch bonnet pepper, plantain. So to get started in cooking this, I had to wash my beans properly, then transfer into boiling water and parboil for some minutes. So after about 20 minutes or so, I had to bring down my beans, parboiled beans, to wash again before cooking it proper. Then I had to put in some onions and allow it to cook for about 35 minutes. After checking to know if the softness is to my satisfaction, then I had to put in some of my ingredients: the grounded pepper or blended pepper, some palm oil, then fish and Ponmo, then seasoning, cover, and let's keep cooking. Meanwhile, I had to get ready for my dildo fried plantain. Okay, food is ready. Yummy, yummy, yummy porridge beans. So tell me, do you like what you see? Please, if you do like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I love you. Mwah.